Thailand, officially known as the Kingdom of Thailand, is a country located in Southeast Asia. It shares borders with Myanmar, Burma to the northwest, Laos to the northeast, Cambodia to the southeast, and Malaysia to the southeast, and Malaysia to the south. The Gulf of Thailand and the Andaman Sea are located to the east and west, respectively. The capital city of Thailand is Bangkok, which is also the country's largest city. The official language of Thailand is Thai. English is also widely spoken, especially in tourist areas and major cities. The majority of the population practices Buddhism. Theravada Buddhism is the most widely followed sect. However, there are also significant Muslim, Christian, and Hindu communities in the country. Thailand is a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant cities, rich cultural heritage, and friendly people. It attracts millions of visitors each year who come to explore its temples, enjoy its kemples, enjoy its cuisine, relax on its islands, and experience its unique culture. Cuisine is famous worldwide for its diverse flavors and aromatic ingredients. Some popular dishes include pad thai, stir-fried noodles, tom yum, spicy soup, green curry, and mango sticky rice. Thailand is home to numerous iconic landmarks, including the Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew, Temple of the Emerald Buddha. In Bangkok, the historic city of Ayutthaya, the ancient ruins of Sukhothai, and the beautiful temples of Chiang Mai. Thailand celebrates various colorful festivals throughout the year. The most well-known is Songkran, the Thai New Year, which involves a massive water fight to symbolize cleansing and renewal. Loy Krathong, the Festival of Lights, is another popular celebration where people release floating lanterns into the sky and launch krathongs, decorative floats, onto rivers. Thailand is known for its diverse natural beauty, including tropical rainforests, mountains, and stunning coastline. It is home to several national parks, such as Khao Yai National Park and Doi Inthanon National Park, where visitors can explore unique ecosystems and spot wildlife like elephants, tigers, and various bird species. Thailand has a developing economy, with agriculture, manufacturing, and services sectors contributing to its GDP. It is one of the world's leading exporters of rice, and industries such as tourism, automotive manufacturing, electronics, and textiles play significant roles in its economy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.